cheesy asparagus bundles. But we're gonna combine what we love about our asparagus bundles with what we love about green bean casserole. Everybody makes green bean casserole.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil over. Just a drizzle.
Yum.
A little bit of salt and pepper. Going on.
Man, this looks good.
Yeah, it does.
All right, if you want to take that to the second.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. This is going to go into the oven for about 25 minutes. So basically, I've got 2 tablespoons of butter in here, and if you would add in a couple of tablespoons of flour. Gravy is basically a ratio of 2 to 1. So 2 tablespoons of fat, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 cup of liquid.
Right.
So you put your 2
You want to
tablespoons
get
of
your butter
flour in.
melted first? Or?
So this is called a roux. This is basically butter and flour, and I'm really just toasting the flour and cooking the rawness out of it, and that just takes about a minute. We're gonna add in, to make this a little special, about a half teaspoon onion powder, perfect. Some dried mustard. All the spices, all the spices of Thanksgiving.
So grating fresh nutmeg, that's fun.
Just a little bit.
Just kind of say
So the asparagus bundles by themselves are always really good, but I feel like the cheese sauce is gonna be hard to beat.
I think you're right. You wanna add in about a cup of milk?
Am I eyeballing Kyle? Are you nervous?
Nah.
You should be nervous.
So then we're gonna add in some cheese. That's Gruyere cheese, which is really nutty. I love Gruyere cheese. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead, about a half cup, not all of it.
Easy there, Beffy.
Well, I can get a little aggressive with cheese. Let's be real. How about that?
That's perfect. And then I'm just gonna stir this in until the cheese melts. So here's the situation with cheese sauce. We did go maybe a little heavy on the cheese, maybe a little heavy on the flour. If that happens to your cheese sauce, just add a little bit of milk and it will loosen up a little bit. If you go the other way and it's way too runny, don't just add flour. Make a little slurry, so add a little bit of flour with a little milk, stir it together and get that all thinned out, and then pour that into the sauce, and then that will thicken. I think this looks great. Very pourable. I'm gonna grab the bacon out of the oven.
Okay.
And ask you to platter it up for us.
I'll be ready to
I'm
do
gonna
that.
ask you to sit quietly.
I can do that. Dang, that smells good.
This looks amazing, and we're about to make it look a whole lot better.
Yes, we are. Okay.
I'm gonna put it on the platter, then I'm gonna pour some cheese sauce over it.
Okay. I'm telling you, the smell of bacon.
I didn't eat asparagus growing up, but as an adult, I don't know what happened. I do love
Just
asparagus,
discovered the love.
especially this way. And pour over some cheese sauce. It's happening.
Yum.
And then you're gonna add some of those crispy onions over the top. I'm getting a little crazy with the cheese sauce because
Well, I mean,
Why not,
why wouldn't
right?
you? These crispy onions that are always in green bean casserole are gonna be so good. Oh my gosh. This might be our new traditional
This- I think it
Thanksgiving
is. What do you
side
think,
dish.
Kyle?
What do you think?
I'm here for it.
Yeah, I know you are.